Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your Ezcorp Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in Ezcorp Workday and then click on enter. After that, find this link which is of myworkdayjobs.com. Click on it. Now at the top right corner you will find sign in option. Click on that. After clicking on that, type in your email address and password. Now click on sign in button to log into your Ezcorp Workday account. You can also click on this link to create new Ezcorp Workday account, or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to get your new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.